Hello and welcome everybody. I hope you're having a wonderful day. I am been getting a lot of work done. Back's just now starting to hurt a little, but no, I got quite a bit of work done in my mod, and we will get to that in a moment. There's just like all of a sudden something on my nose. But let's get to the stream raid first, because there's a new Cyberfall limited event, and apparently you can't see my mouse. Interesting. Or do I have to actually? Oh, I actually have to be clicked on it. Yeah, they have a new Cyberfall event, but we're like right at the boss, so let's do the boss, and then we'll start the event. Boss loyalty chests. Orc Slayer. Well, here's the question. Do we do Orc Slayer, who can, easily get the Orc War Master and probably deal with these other guys? Or do we do this guy, who can wipe out 3 of them at once? Not quite 4. So, always a little bit of a stickler. Okay, so here's what's been going on. I've basically been going through, I reshuffled everything, and I've reorganized everything, and in the end, we actually ended up with something that looks pretty decent. When I hit play, I can come in here, I can go to the engrams, search for KJ, and these are all the Kjasi's mod items. At least all the ones that I finished, renaming. That includes all the thatches and all the woods. Now, I was just noticing, why are the doors at level 18? I think I want them to come in at level 11 with the rest of them. I don't see why you need to be level 18 to get the double doors. And that just forces you to use a door you don't want. So that's actually a change we're going to make. Oh, fun little fact. I can actually keep this running. And here, I'm going to kind of push that off to the side window. And now over here. So yeah, I got the double doors in there, but I am not happy with where they are in terms of placement. So what I'm going to do is actually a couple of things. First of all, yeah, wood wall with door. That's the one we want. But we also need you to get the normal KJ door frame. And it has to do this like once every time I reboot the mod kit. But the nice part is I'm able to actually edit this live, and then I just have to take the game and close that particular close the engram window, reopen it, and all the engrams are up to date. So apparently, this requires wood wall with a door. That makes sense. But we're going to make a slight tweak to it. This is going to require the KJ version of the wood wall with a door, which in our nomenclature is door frame. No point in getting fancy. We just have to wait for this, rebuilding class hierarchy. I thought I saw something. We're detecting some network problems. Alright. Well, no. Is it a network problem? Is it a problem at all? Delete that. Just switch over to the normal KJ door frame. And we'll set this level to 11. And then we'll do the same thing with the door. We'll tell it that you need the KJ wood door. And you're level 11. Okay, so I just made those changes. I have not closed this yet. But now I can just reopen the engrams. And look, there they are. They've been moved up to level 11. Let's actually give myself some XP. Pump a whole bunch of levels in the oxygen. And now we can see, okay, well, there's the KJ thatch doors. I still need to implement my own storage box. I don't think I'm going to deal with a sleeping bag. You know, maybe the beds, but not the sleeping bags. Okay, I got my sloped walls and ceilings. I haven't done any tools or anything. I'm not going to deal with the crop plots until I get to the gardening section. Alright, so here we are. KJ requires KJ wood doors. Alright, well, let's... what does this require? You know, I think this should be requiring... Yeah, that's not right. This is one of the reasons why we go through and we double check things. Alright, door frame. Alright, require... Well, first of all, you need the KJ version of that. KJ thatch door frame. And then you need the KJ wood... no, just the wood wall with a door. So this is requiring the original engram plus the KJ door frame. Now that I made that change, you'll see, okay, well, we have the KJ wooden door frame. Oh, it already updated? Nice. So now this needs the thatch door frame and the wooden door frame. So if I just click that, that buys everything it needs. Which should have also unlocked the KJ wooden wall. Although that's saying I need the thatch wall. I'm wondering if maybe I should, swap the, I could add a third option. Well. At any rate, we have the door frame. That unlocked the, yeah, unlocked that. So what about the double doors? It just requires the door. Wait, let's double check. Thatch door and wooden door frame. Alright. So, door. We want the KJ thatch door and the KJ wood door frame. Alright, so now, yep, that updated. But, I just like doing this. It updates a little bit more. But, yeah. There we go. KJ thatch door and thatch door wood frame. And then that opens up that. Oh. We got to add a third requirement to that. Wood door. Yeah, and it instantly updated. It went gray, saying, "Oh no, we don't have the requirements for that." There we go. So now it requires the KJ thatch door, the KJ wood frame, and the wooden door. The double door just requires this. All right. Thatch foundation and wooden foundation, yes. Yeah, that's good. Alright. KJ wood ceiling requires wooden ceiling and thatch ceiling. Yes. Okay, that requires thatch ceiling, KJ thatch ceiling, and the wooden triangle ceiling. And that requires wooden triangle and thatch wooden foundation. Okay. So that looks like that's all good. You know, fence supports and wooden fence supports will be added later. I just wanted to get a lot of the basic buildings stuff done. And learning all that did properly grab all of this. So that's good. So, what's next? The slope walls requires thatch wall right and wooden wall and sloped wall right. Yes. Yes. Ramp requires wooden ceiling and yeah, the KJ wooden ceiling and the wooden ramp. Yes, that's right. KJ wood pillar requires wooden foundation and wooden pillar, the KJ foundation. So that's good. And wooden hatch, trap door, and the ladder. Just requires the wooden ladder. And then we have the window frame. Let's see, what's that requiring? Wooden wall, wooden window frame. Yep, that's right. Window. Good. Catwalks. Alright. Railing. Perfect. Sloped roof. Yep, got the sloped and the thatched and all that others. Wooden triangle roof. Okay, looks like I haven't renamed this. So, well, first of all, let's save that. Oh, I can't save that. Oh, there we are. Alright, we are looking at the triangle roof. Yeah, it's going to the wrong item. Yeah, it just updated. I saw that. Alright, let's double check. Needs the thatch roof, the wood ceiling triangle. Yes. And the tri-wood roof. Alright, that looks like it's right. And you can see it's already updated to say it's the KJ wooden triangle. Alright, just about that and that. Alright. So, as far as that goes, this is all working correctly. So, let's actually add some resources here. And do some crafting. Alright, I need more resources. Alright, KJ. I'll make 2 of those. Which is apparently all I can do. Unfortunately, I can't increase my weight. Alright, so we have those. Now, if you remember from our last stream, you know, these are simple. You can switch between the 2 views, and, you know, we kept them... Oh, wait, I just saw something. Yeah, it's going up a bit, isn't it? So we might have to adjust that. Alright, wood foundation. Variants. The variants, there we are. Let's make it -5. I'm just going to pull this off to the side. Okay, that was too much. Let's split the difference there. -2.5. Oh wait, yeah. Okay, that looks pretty good, although it's hard for me to tell. I'm kind of overburdened. I don't need metal. At least not the raw stuff. You know what? I think that might be perfect. No, those are the metal foundations. I don't need those, at least not now. Nope, don't need a replicator either. Let's pick this up. We'll put it down here. Swap to vanilla. You know what? I think that's good enough. So we've got these two that are, perfectly matching now. It's just, we found one little tweak we needed to make. Okay, so I'm actually going to jump into here, and I'm going to add a peach. No, I'm going to add a bunch of wood. I'm going to introduce some wood to this dark atrium. Alright, well, first of all, we need foundations. Oh, that's the engram entry. I need the wood entry. Alright. We'll grab those. Window. Let's grab the ramp, a railing, a pillar, although I know that's going to work, just because, actually no, I need a ceiling before I can do that kind of stuff. Alright. Yeah, why is the frame rate crappy? Screw it. Actually, just there. The problem is this is going to take like half an hour to disappear. It looks a little low, but I'm not sure it is. I mean, it looks fine on one side, it's just the other side looks a little higher. So... Alright. Okay. It says KJ and they're pick-upable. They don't have anything else other than, you know, pick up. And we're going to have to work on that. But they seem to work. So we don't have to worry about that, I guess. So now comes the time where I need walls. Which I think is 501? Yes. Okay, those are walls. I can pick them up. KJ window frame. Three. Okay, we got a ramp. I'll be honest. I don't like its snap point. Yeah, that just looks bad. This is a ramp, right? Yeah. But why does it look that bad? Why do the foundations work and those work? But this is shit. And look, it's even having problems. I can't... Can I even get two of these side by side? Yeah, and they look awful. Alright. So, let's see what's going on with these ramps. Well, that looks like it's oversized to me. No variants. How many variants can I have? Variant name, smaller. Smaller. Select. Select. Use mesh transform of that. Now can I just come back in here and these will already have it? Yep. Okay. Ah. Alright, so now that should work better. Yes, back to you. Switch to default. Switch to smaller. No? I gotta pick you up? Yeah, that's at a 1.0 size, and that looks way better. In fact, that looks almost right. Okay. So basically, all I have to do in order to get that to work is change this to 1.0. And then I can delete this. Okay, let's pick these up. Yeah, look, that looks better. Way better. Maybe a little too high. But still, that looks good. And we need to be able to switch this over to the to stairs. But that will be something we look at probably a bit later. Although we could just keep them as two separate items. It's something to think about. Okay, so it's looking pretty good. Although I don't really like the angle of that ramp, but you know, what am I gonna do about it? What are you gonna do about it? I don't know. Alright, so what was next on the list? 4? Ah, wooden railings. Let's actually give me like 10 of those. Yeah, I know it's technically 11 right now, but yeah. They won't snap to ramps. The good news is I don't think I'm going to have to make any changes other than, you know, the allowing the ramp snap. Okay. I'm good with that. Yeah, definitely got to make it that works on the ramp, but other than that. What was next? Oh, wooden pillars. Huh. That's almost a ceiling. which I believe is the next item. So let's give myself 10. Yes. Ah, there's actually a disparity there. Well, that's actually something we're going to fix, is we're going to make these pillars just a little smaller. Da-da-da! Da-da-da-da-da! Wow. Oh, that's right, you can just build over foundations. I think maybe a pickup gun might be a good idea. Alright, that's enough of that. Let's do the stream raid. Let's just make it, you know, a goddamn killing field. Bonus damage. Unfortunately, he's just going to sit there, and the killing field won't... The buff won't last long enough. Fortunately, he's not that strong. But 10 a hit is still pretty bad. Fortunately, I am mighty. Yay! Nobody here, so I'll get a whole bunch of gold, 3 musketeers, and somebody missed out on flying rogues. Alright. And somehow that got me 2 tiers of tokens, just defeating that one boss. So this was a cyber tank? Okay. Oh... I do like going for these extra loyalty tokens. Ah, that's a support. Yeah, let's try this. See how these guys are doing. Alright. Wrong button. Still wrong button. There we go. Okay, so... nothing to really report on ceilings. Looks like they're right. All's right with the world with ceilings. Did I have something already in 7, or is that just... Nope, okay. So, let's see. Yeah, I think ceilings are fine. Pillars are going to need work on, but that's going to be a much bigger thing. Right now, I just want to get all of the wood kind of tested out. So, let's give myself some XP. Whole bunches of it. And I'll give myself some resources. And we'll increase our oxygen supply. Yes, I love that oxygen. Okay, that should be good enough. Alright, I want to make some doors. You know what? We gotta change the double door. It requires the wooden double door frame. double door. Alright. Engram requirement sets. Wooden door, yes. And then KJ wood double door frame. And let's make sure that the door is requiring the door frame. Yeah, it is. Okay. Alright, so yeah, it requires a double wooden door frame. Good. Windows. Oh, we also need to do the slopes. Okay, I think our wooden ladder's not right. Yeah. There we go. Now it's requiring the KJ wooden ladder. Let's grab the trap door. Yeah, why do you need to be level 14 to get the window frame? Ooh, and the catwalk. And the sloped roof. Alright, so KJ window. You know what? Let's just do a search. KJ. There we go. Doorway. Door. Ladder. Alright, we got the window. Door. Alright, I haven't done it yet, but I do need to adjust basically all the doors. Because after this 14-second window, it's not going to work. What the? Ow. This is looking for the wrong thing, isn't it? Structure to build. No, that's all right. So it's all accurate, I should say. So why the KJ wood ladder KJ wood ladder, yes. Yes, that's all right. Okay, so that's broken. Okay, well, that's good. Oh wait, I want to keep that one. Yeah, KJ wood ladder. Window. Ah. Double door. Although I don't have enough that wood to build the actual... Okay. Now I should have enough for the door. For the gosh darn double door! Alright, well. What? There's some sort of snap system there, isn't there? And I just closed the thing. Damn. Okay, let's open that. Let's grab all that. Alright, so what's been modified here? Allow structure color sets. All right. Is S plus structure? We're actually going to say no. Yeah, I don't want you to be able to disable that. So, door. Door frame. You know what? I just realized I forgot to put on music. Come on, play. Interesting. I'm not getting any audio for the music. Ah. There we go. Okay, spawn emitter. Structure harvesting component. Ooh. Snap structure class. What do we have for door on the snap structure class? Okay, that's a little loud now. I don't mind that in the background, but... Okay, so nothing there. placement. Huh. All right. Placement material forward directional index. Maybe I have this set to the wrong thing in double door? I mean, I wouldn't say it's not possible. But, alright, snap points. Supports locking. Use second door. Supports pin locking. Can be forced open by dyno. Allow replacement by structure class type. Maybe I need to have that double door? Alright, so for this, I'm going to need... I don't need foundation try anymore. Door frame. Double door frame. Double door. Aye, Captain, doing the double door. All right. Save all. Okay. Okay. Well, that worked just fine. Oh, here's a question. Can I... No. No snap point for that. Also, why is that offset? I feel like this doesn't have the right snap points or something. Alright, let's compare this to the structures plus setups. Door frames double. There's the base, which copies from door frame base. That should be what we have. Door frame base copies from door frame. Now let's actually compare these two now that I think about it. Okay. Okay, we got 8 snap points. You know what? Show modified. That both looks right. Okay. Door, base door, base tech door, base double door. Allow replacement. Why is this set at all? Can be automatic. Default. Did I do the wrong thing? I might have. So this is where the problem was. Okay, so now yeah, that's just offset, so I definitely want to fix that. But now now I gotta build it all again. Okay. All right. You know what? Show modified. Snap from structures include double door frame. Yes. Is my that would be why. Oh wait, no, that's in grams. Okay. Okay. Snap points. Snap structures to exclude. Of course, we'll add the KJ variants to that. Ah! It was a two-pronged attack. come here. Snap. There we are. Oh, did I mess this up a little? I might have. Well, nothing to do but push forward. Ah, yes, there we go. Okay, there we go. That's good. Ooh. Let's kind of get those guys. I don't know what this other thing's going to do, but let's, hope these guys are just weaklings. Oh. Now your support will die. Or not. I guess support auto dies. Crystal Falls. Archer. Alright, what has a level up? The Musketeer! So we're going just straight down because I want to hit those greens. Cyber Node range. Cyber Node impact. Where's my Musketeer? There's my Musketeer. Let's go up here. Okay. So, I forget where we leave off. Oh yes. 4 base? What? Well, there's a lot of stuff. Let's just close everything. So, I got the snap. Oh yes, there was an auto open and close feature. Auto weld. Auto activate. Yeah, I saw something on the base double doors. It was like auto. Can be automatic. I'd like to know where those variables are. Yeah, here we are. Okay, what about this? Ah. Okay. Well, I do like, making this like an automatic thing. So we'll probably make that happen with all our doors too. Should I just copy and paste this and just erase my old one? Not a terrible idea. Sometimes it's just, waiting. And it sucks. But I don't want to wait. What is going on here? Okay, it's actually doing stuff. Good. Starting to get a little worried. Alright. Select these, and I think there's a not in this version. Alright. Delete. KJ structure. Door. Replace the references. In the newer Unreal Engine, you can actually merge the references manually, basically. Okay. I guess something wasn't happy. So I've been watching some people play Evil Genius, and I noticed something. Evil Genius 2, which is what I was actually watching, and probably Evil Genius itself, are remarkably close to Dungeon Keeper, which was basically the same in terms of gameplay. Yes, I know it's in use. Fine. Well, I guess that's one way of dealing with it. Ooh. It's by no means a perfect editor. It's by far means a really bad one. But they've kept this going. This is, Unreal Engine 4.5.1 with some of their own unique stuff on it. Ugh, I'm tired. But yeah, I was looking at it. It actually looked like a lot of fun, so I thought I'd pick it up. I am going to play a little bit of it tomorrow, try and get a good feel for it, and I think probably Wednesday we'll do a stream for it. Although there is another game that comes out tomorrow that I really want to play, Kingdom Hearts. Problem is, my version of Windows is too old for it to play it, according to its minimum specifications. We'll see, because I'm going to still try. And if it doesn't, then it doesn't, and I'll just have to wait for the new version of Windows, which comes out later this year. That's why I didn't buy all the Kingdom Hearts games, because they were like charging $60 a pop for all of them, and you can buy them for like the PlayStation for cheaper than that. In fact, I have them for the PlayStation already. But I did grab one. The first 1.5, basically. The first package game, which is actually Kingdom Hearts, Chain of Memories, and Kingdom Hearts 2.5. I think Chain of Memories is in there. I mean, that's an important in-between step. I mean, if nothing else, I could just pull out the PlayStation disc and I play that for the stream. I mean, it's not like anybody's going to notice. Yeah. Nobody's going to notice I'm playing the PlayStation version. Man, this is taking a while to load. It doesn't usually take this long anymore. Ah, errors. Yeah, quite a few of them, in fact. Detecting network problems. Alright, looks like their detecting of network problems isn't as bad as it used to be, and as far as I know, nothing's changed. It occurred to me recently that I didn't finish, what was it? Arkham Knight? Nor did I finish, yeah, I didn't finish Arkham Knight. I don't think I finished Arkham Origins either on our recent playthroughs of it. Alright, get rid of all those errors. Okay, let's see if I can delete these and replace it with the other door, which is what I've been trying to do for, it feels like 10 minutes now. Alright. KJ Structure Foundation door. Replace. No. Well, structure-based door. Oh no, it's still trying to go to structure-based old. Reparent. And now it's got to rebuild. Yay! Yeah. I'll be honest, I almost canceled tonight's stream. Because, I've been getting a lot of work done, but I'm also just kind of tired. I might end this stream early. I'm thinking about it. I haven't made a decision, but I'm thinking about it. But yeah, it's basically what you're seeing is what I'd be doing, and it's a question of do I do it on stream or off stream? And I don't know which I'd want to do. But yeah, doors are complicated. There we go. All right, double door. No, that's fine. Okay. So we want window hatch. All right. Ceiling hatch door. All right. So what's accessing this one? Wood window hatch. Ah. Yay, crashing. At this point, I'm going to say, fuck it, just delete the other one. Although I will say that if we get this issue again, I think I might actually just load up a game. Go have some fun. Or we might actually just play ARK. We've got a full servers to play. 2. On the other hand, it's been a while since I've been to Valheim. On the other hand, all my servers got mutated, for lack of a better word. Ooh. Found it. Yay. Ah. Two, one. Alright, well, best I can do. Alright, let's just delete force. Don't replace assets. And we will fix them as needed. Don't care. Oh, maybe the base? The hatch base? Now that one actually, is using the wrong one. So that's a legitimate one we have to fix. The others could just be all based on this. Who knows? Who knows where the shadow goes? I know. Shut up. Just waiting for Vicini. I think if we get another crash, I'm going to stop this for the time being, and we'll have a mining Monday, and we'll jump into Star Citizen and have some fun. Yeah. Just have a nice quiet night mining. I don't know if anyone's ever going to show up, but... Alright, reparent. Yes. Save. Alright. How about now? Reparent. KJ struct door. Refresh all nodes. This sometimes, you know, cleans up some problems. Oh, cancel, 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 cancel. That's not the one I want to delete. That's the one I want to delete. Alright, well, let's come here and refresh all the nodes. And save. And then there was another wood. There's something. Thatch door. Reparent. KJ structure door. Yes. Save. Close. Perfect. Okay. So now the door should automatically open. Alright. Nope, not connecting to those, but it is connecting to those. Good. And that connects to that one. Oh, I probably have to enable the auto systems. Can be automatic, is automatic. There we go. Save everything. This is going to modify all the existing doors. Pick up. Pick up. Pick up. All right. All right. Okay, so was it just a had to restart thing? Okay. Find references. So did they just not do this correctly then? Alright, let's compare the... I actually did download the Structures Plus. So let's compare this. Doors. Ah, base door. Here we are. Yeah. Yeah. I don't know how to determine nearby players, but let's do the stream raid, and then we'll investigate. Let's do this guy. Yep, going down to deal with the other guy. Interesting that when he died, he just lost health. He didn't actually die. That's weird. Oh, he was so powerful he managed to do it. Nobody here, so nobody gets the extra warriors. Not too bad. Oh, they got a car. You know? I could just do that. Okay, so let's stop the game and take a look at this, because these are the functions that we need for this to work. So it's actually fairly simple to do. We'll come back into our base. for the door, which has everything we need except for the script. And we'll just write the scripts. Alright, so close door no. Custom event. Close door event. SP close door. Self. Okay, so here we're actually going to get into a little bit of network programming. I've done a little bit of this before, but I'm looking at this and this is not that hard. The big question is the nearby players, but I guess I don't have to worry about that. Custom event. Toggle door event. First, switch has authority. So this is basically what this is saying is, am I running on the server or am I running on the user? Almost always you're going to want to do the server. Alright, branch. New input is open. Open inwards. All right. And this just calls SP open door. All right, other actor. Ah. So here's where you actually need another one of these. So other actor. Another actor! Cut down in his prime of youth! Actor. Used to, you know, nowadays I could easily just like drag this up or something, and nope, not back then. Alright, nearby players. Is automatic. Auto close only. And open in. Otherwise, literally the same thing, but don't. Is automatic. Close. Alright, so that deals with that, and now from this false, SP handle door close delay. They copied everything except the event graph and maybe some of the functions. Alright, so that is all we need to duplicate their event graph. Now the question is, how do they toggle the door event and the closed door event? I'm guessing when Wildcard, integrated the plugin, they didn't do it right. Ah, SP functions, huh? Looks like it's the same functionality on both codes. That does not seem right. How do I know that? Well, first of all, oh shit, it's because I have this Structures Plus mod in here, isn't it? It might be. So just thought I heard some beeping. Okay, so I think what we need to do now is actually come here and create our own blueprint library. And call this KJ ARK door functions. And we aren't using this other one yet, but let's let's look at this. Handle door close delay. Okay. We'll just go KJA. Handle door close delay. I need the door. So primal something. Unfortunately, I don't know if I can get that data. The other actor, so yeah, I don't really have a way of like expanding, I can shrink it, but I don't have a way of expanding that. So I don't know. So that's probably just a primal structure of some kind. You know what it probably is? They had, their primal item structure, door plus. Why wouldn't they just use base door structure? I mean, the rest of that's pretty simple to figure out. But we'll start with door. Primal item Primal structure. Primal structure door. I'm guessing. Actor. Ah, Mr. Lethal. Yeah, come on by. I like it going pretty well. I actually really like this service. So, thank you for the follow. Welcome once again to the KJ crew. And actually, that's going to help me a lot because I've been trying to do some KJ bot testing, but I need to actually get it to read the follow events. I don't know why that hasn't been working. And although for some reason it looks like KJBot's not running at all. But I'm gonna just quickly check the logs. I have no idea why KJBot has not been operating lately correctly. Alright, what the hell is this? Failed to send message? Okay, it got the heartbeat. Wait, what? No, it didn't. Oh my god, has that been the problem? Is that what's causing everything to fuck up? It's been trying to send chat messages, and because it's been trying to send the message every, however many minutes, half hour. Yeah, it's running a time command about every half hour or so, or 20 minutes. It looks like it builds everything. It sends a query off. And then it has an error. Unmatched topic. Oh man. But because it had that failure, here's you popping on. And then I get the chat message saying that you followed. But it didn't do the subscription. Alright. It's like for some reason I'm not getting the subscription out for actually, getting, follower data. So I'm going to have to dig into that a little bit more. But yeah. That kind of opens things up as to what's going on. So thank you for that. Alright. nearby players. So what we're doing now, basically, is we're trying to duplicate this kind of functionality on our own. So the whole idea is being able to open doors by ourselves. Or automatically open doors in ARK. And, right, yeah, for the most part, I'm just kind of copying what they have, but that doesn't mean I have to copy it directly. Alright, is automatic. And then I'm going to want to add the delay. Delay, or close delay. Delay. Float. Boop, 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 boop. Okay, so now I have let's just put that as other actor. That's probably more accurate. You can save this. I'll remove the store function to the other window so I can keep an open look at it and refer to it as necessary. Okay, so first of all, so the first thing we do is we look at all the nearby players and we want to remove the other actor. The reason for this is fairly simple. We don't want to consider that when we have other actors nearby. We're also going to need the length. Okay, so if length equals 0 and the door is automatic. Alright, close delay is less than 0. Now I'm looking at what they did, and they actually had a whole separate branch for this. Actually, no. I see why they did the separate branch now. First of all, we did this first part as a check. So now we're doing this as a should we open or close. If we do here, we do the close. So let's do we'll add the other two functions. Primal structure door. Bum, 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 bum. I'm going to guess that this has the same input. No? Damn, door is expensive to operate. Alright, so we got the KJA closed door. Let's, compile and save this. Even though we don't have that functionality there yet. Because unlike these other heathens, I like my code to be pretty. Even if it is a jumbled mess. Okay, so the next thing we would want to do is, it looks like we want to make sure that the person we're opening for is actually a player character. So, cast to... So this is where we need the other actor again. Cast to shooter character, which is, basically the ARK way of saying, or the Unreal Engine way of saying, hey, see if this is an ARK player. I can't put notes on here. Damn. Alright. So now, get owning controller. Get owner controller. So now we have the controller for this character. And now we want to make sure cast to shooter player controller. And now send message item netexec to server. For item. And that's the door. Yes. Which is the top item. What? So are you telling me I got this wrong? Item structure door reference. Primal structure door reference. Primal structure door reference, yes. Client set. Oh, this is item. That's the difference. Send net exec command to server. There we go. Command is toggle door delay. What? Oh yeah, okay. Toggle door delayed. So basically what it's doing is it's coming here and activating this door event. Or not? Is reliable. Make BP exec parameters. Float parameter 1. Alright, and is reliable, I guess. I guess that all works. I give up. I'm not trying to even bother figuring out how it works, what they're trying to do. Obviously, it's sending a command to the server to toggle door delayed. Now, where that command shows up, I have no clue. Alright, so let's look at door open. Other actor. Actor? Actors! Nearby players. Which is a collection of actors. And then we need to know if this is an automatic door. So Boolean. Boolean, yes, Boolean. Not an array. No, no, not an array. No, is it automatic? I need to know if it's automatic. It's automatic, yes. Close only. I'm guessing that means auto close only. And then finally, we need to know if it needs to open in or open out. Open in. Alright. Let's compile, and I'm going to save all this while we're doing the the stream raid. Oh, yeah, no. Killing field? No, it's only going to help melee. Oh, crap. I wanted to... okay. Oh, well. Well, if we get down there. About what I was anticipating. Ooh, flag bearer. Nice. Tank scrolls! Ooh. New mates? I want to fight one of those. There they are. Carpo. Ah, the support roles. Alright. Yeah, but what kind of support? We shall find out together. Okay, so now that we have this, I can come over here and holy Jesus moly. So the first thing that happens is we find out if it's an automatic door. Because if it's not, then, you know, why the heck are we doing, you know, anything in this anyways? So, don't do anything if it's not an automatic door. If it is an automatic door, clear timer for the door. On the function name, close door event. Next, we need to take this and cast to shooter character. And it looks like we're going to need, I'll need to pull this out a little bit. Because we're probably going to need this too. Nah, like that. There we go. I don't need that right this second, but alright, so now get owner controller. I mean, I could just do this with some local variables. That would make things easy. But now we need to make sure that this is valid. So basically what this is going to say is, hey, does this item actually exist? Is it a good item? Huh. Yes it is. Well, in that case, allow structure access. What? Oh, that's it. Yeah. Allow structure. Get link structures. Ah. Get structure access. No. Allow structure access. Allow structure access. Okay, there's that. is locked. Get is locked. Alright, not. Or. So now we are going to allow access if we are given access. So now we are looking to see if interesting. And add a reroute node. Contains Alright, so if this does not contain this, we need to add This sounds like Mario music, like from the new Mario game. It's odd. Okay, so branch. I don't get why they're doing it this way. If you're not already in the member of the larger group, then we add you, and only then can we do another branch where we're trying to figure out something else, false or real. Alright, well, looks like length greater than 1. Alright, now finally... get door state. No. Get door no. Primal structured door, correct? Primer structured door. Then why am I not able to get the door state? Get door open. Okay. It does not equal integer of 0. All right, select int of 1 or 2. And what is this linking to? The last item that we have to link to. And now finally, what are we doing? BP set, okay. Set door state. False. All right. Compile. Save. Oh dear God. Okay, so first of all, let's come back here and remove all these. Why? Because they're all wrong. We need the KJ ARK versions. Open. I don't know why they did that when they had the perfectly viable option right there. Oh wait, I just had the... Yeah, okay. Yeah. I mean, yeah, we have to, you know, do one or two other things, but this is a perfectly acceptable answer. I don't know why they did a double up on there, on true and false. No. All right. I think it was false. Am I doing this right? I feel like I'm not doing this right. No, I am not. Why? I'm working on the wrong function. This is theirs. I don't want to mess with theirs. Yeah, this is mine. Open in. Nearby is self. It is automatic. Auto close only. Close delay. Compile. So I'm willing to bet that this is not going to work right, but yeah, it's good to give it a test every so often. Worst that's going to happen is, I have to redo some work. Whenever I'm doing compiling, it causes a network issue, even though I'm not losing any output frames. Yeah, it just seems stupid to me that they have an open-in variable right here when they could just plug that in. Alright. So I've got my door open function done. Let's do the close function, which looks very easy. Sequence. First of all, branch. Stasis. Odd variable, but okay. Unstasis. get door state does not equal 1. It'd be nice to know, what these states are, but, set door state. Okay, so if it's not closed, then make sure it closes. Oh well. All right. Let's close all this. Save everything. Except for structures plus stuff. We don't need to touch any of that. Just save my stuff. Alright, let's try playing and see if we have some more good stuff going on. Did I do 100? No, I didn't. Alright. So we got our foundations. Alright, there's definitely some other stuff that has to happen here. Okay, let's take a quick look. What does my door have that yours doesn't? Or vice versa. What does your door have that mine doesn't? A sense of decorum, maybe. BPIs allow build. Whole lot of stuff here to do. Begin play. Oh my. Ooh, BP handle. Yeah, this is something we're going to need. Can I just copy and paste this, maybe? Yeah. Probably not. Alright, so I got to stop this. BP server handle net exec. BP server handle net exec. Yeah. BP server handle net exec command. Implement function. Okay, so they're doing just a simple sequence. Because it's easy for them to just do that. So, from player controller, command name, and exec parameters. By the way, you have 4 minutes to join me in on Stream Raiders. Okay, so if that's valid. I'm going to move this off to my other window. So, is valid. I kind of want to move this out of the way, but I'd rather not reroute to everything here. So if that's valid, switch on name, add a pin, pin names, here we are, toggle door delayed. Which on int switch on int. Set timer. Self. Function name. Close door event. Okay. Not Lupin. Lupin. So what are you doing on begin play? Okay. Something I don't really think I need to worry about just yet. Okay, so they have another one. Allowed to build. But this is equal to -9. Select int 1 or B. I have no clue what this means. I mean, it could, you know, royally mess up the, it could mess up the queen's job. Let's speed things up. 2, 1. Oh. They're not doing as much damage anymore. They were doing 10, now they're doing 7. Woo! Barely made that. Ooh, I got 18 tokens and 2 centurions and a whole bunch of gold. Because nobody's here with me. Archer scrolls. Are we not doing phrasing anymore? Mage scrolls. Artillery scrolls. I got a mage's costume. Alright, so our artillery just leveled up. Yay! As did our archer. 69. Nice. Okay, let's try going to the computers. That sounds like fun. Let's try blowing them up. That's a neat trick. Okay. I kind of feel like my rogue may not have enough health. But she would be fast. Okay. So, what does this do? I have no idea. Current allowed reason. Allowed to build. I don't know. Okay, that's... Okay, I'll just have to figure this one out later. Alright, construction script, that's right. We got these. Okay, so that will toggle the closed door event. Toggle door event, I have that the same. Okay. Ah! Ah! I have been looking for this for a very long time. Because I found that last time we were doing development, and I was just trying to find where the hell this was. So it's being used in Update Multi-Use Menu, which I found right here. Okay, so now that I know where that is, we can actually, do something about it. What specifically? We can write our own. I actually had something set aside for that. Multi-use functions. It's just, this is actually where I was going to do all my, pickup menu entry and shit. Which I'm actually going to rename. First of all, KJA, KJ ARK. And let's add the update function. Update multi-use menu. I mean, it's a very simple and, good name. Modify pickup menu entry. I kind of want that to be first, but I suppose what I could do is just copy, duplicate, delete, rename. So now we have the modify pickup menu first. Good. Come on, load. All right, so player controller. All right. Player controller. See, I'm actually going to make it, a little bit more modern in terms of the naming conventions, or at least easier to get. PC everywhere. All right, so Alright, so this needs to be multi-use entry. Should this be current or existing entries? Or just entries? Alright, primal structure. Primal structure. No array. Structure. And then force disable. Okay, so what are they doing? Well, okay, so they do a sequence. So in their sequence, the first thing they do is they branch out of force disabled. Okay. So what they actually have here is two local variables. The first is a string called error string. All right. Okay, so structure, use BP allow pickup, give item, allow BP pickup give item. Branch, and if it's false, we disable the string, or we call the string disabled. Then, for each loop with a break, all right, break multi-use entry. Oh. Use index equals 203. Branch. Alright. If true, promote. Okay, I guess we gotta do current entry, multi-use entry. Get game state. Cast to shooter game state. Structure. Pick up hold duration. If that is less than or equal to 0, we need to select an int. Else I want to use the use index. Oh no, the priority. And the use string, append the error string. Okay, so now that we've selected the int string, set members in multi-use entry. Okay. Set members. Okay, the select int will become the priority. The use string will go in there. Error string, len, is greater than 0. Disabled use. Yeah, theirs is like super dirty, and look at me. I got like, you know, yeah. Look at what they have. This is this. It's chaos. And now compare that to what I have so far. It's just like elegant. I mean, you know, even so, I am considering moving this down just a bit more. Just to give myself a little bit more of that spacing that makes things work. And I'll be collapsing this down as soon as I can. Yeah, collapse node. Oh, nope, undo. Alright, I need to set that. Let's straighten those up. Oh. Do I need component? No. Do I need string? Yes. Do I need index? No. Hide from UI? No. Disable use? Yes. Oh, no, I need the entry activation timer. But I don't need the activation sound. Alright. Set element array. And that equals that. Item is going to be current entry. And size to fit 0. And now we bring this all the way around to there. Unfortunately, their little unfortunately their system didn't allow for this. This was actually a recent thing where they let you realign or reverse these so it would actually look like it goes flowing back perfectly. But still, at least this isn't like, you know, screaming, you know, spaghetti at me. But we still have to get these two things. So, let's see. What is it trying to pull out of there? Demolish activation tree out of the structure. Demolish activation time. And it wants me to break this again. Alright, so with that I need to kind of push this back a little. Now this way, it's just a little bit easier. All right. All right, that's greater than 1. Select float. We have 2 of these. This is A on both. Entry timer and exit time. Default timer. So that will become that, and that will become that. But let's kind of pretty this up a bit. There we go. This is how you make code not look like spaghetti. So this does exactly the same thing as the other one, but it doesn't look like spaghetti. I mean, really, what I could do is actually just, we use structure in 3 places. 4. I could just promote this to a local variable. And then that, gets rid of this whole line of spaghetti. Which actually would not be a bad idea. Primal structure. Current structure. So let's add some more here. Actually, no. Actually, I'll just grab this and pull it back. Player controller, only needed for that. No, you're not going to straighten on what I want? Alright, fine. Which brings us back to where we were. I mean, there's no real need to do this one variable set. It just kind of makes things look better. So that's a little less spaghetti. Okay, so this will actually modify our pickup menu. Hopefully in the way we want it to be modified. So now what we do is we come here. There's a then, well, a sequence. There's a branch, which we're just going to say okay to right now. And then another sequence. I don't know why. Oh, yeah. And then literally the first thing we do is we modify the pickup menu. And we're going to have to do inputs for this, but we'll do that in a second. So apparently this is used for the return node. Let's add a little bit more haste to this guy. It's not going to last very long, but... they're not going to spawn any guys because the guys they're going to spawn, I was wrong. Damn. Yeah. All right. So, update multi-use tool. That is good. This is going to be. Oh, this will be nice. So, we actually do have some booleans in here. Player, controller. Let's just add 3 items. And then a 4th. All right. Entries. Original entry. Entries. And this is an array. Oh. Of multi-use entry. And then modified entries. Is that correct? Sure looks that way. All right. player controller. Primal structured. Now, these are their variables. I think I'm going to skip some of them for now, but we're definitely going to add them later. So, force, disable, pickup. And then ignore team. Why are you ignoring my team? Hey, your team's no good. Alright, ignore team. Targeting team. Team. Get targeting team. Unfortunately, entries is going to be abused. I'm just looking at that and it's going wah everywhere. Okay, so if you're not on the correct team, you can't do anything. So it's not going to show up any of these modifications. So, first things first, let's modify the default pickups. And as much as I love to reroute those, these are probably the best I should do for right now. I'm actually going to pull some of these down. There, that's just a little bit cleaner. Okay, so now we could, at least in theory, be able to, yeah, okay. Alright. Alright, so we're going to now branch. Why am I doing this bottom one? Because this is going to be the last item that we add, which is going to be the hold for options. So, what we are looking for you know what? Screw this. Entries. Multi-use entries. set. And now this little bit of delay is just really frustrating. Alright, what about player controller? Alright, what about structure? It is kind of somewhat used, but not nearly as badly as entries. Alright. If that is greater than 0, then we need to make a multi-use entry. Make multi... Come on. Get. Add. Make. Okay, so what do I need to show? For component? No. Index? Yes. Priority? Yes. Hide from UI? Yes. And everything else can be hidden. All right. Priority will be negative 1,000. Index will be 999. The text, hold for options. So, now I can have this basically, I can clone this like one little bit of code or one little bit function as many times as I need to in order to get it to function. Now something I can actually do too is to grab that, bring that closer. I don't like that. Hold for options. Must be last. So this is the other thing I can do, is I can, do comments. Modify existing pickup menu. So what are all these other spaces for? They're being reserved for things like being able to swap models and all sorts of transparencies and stuff like that. So now that I have this available to me, so now what we can do is come to the KJ structures. And get multi-use entries? Yeah, get multi-use entries. So this is, you know, the old code. This is what I did as a temp to try and get it to the way I want. We're going to skip that. Instead, we're going to add modify, no, update multi-use entry. Yeah. And that should be good enough. But wait, there's more! Because we also need to do this to the doors. You know, the base structure is going to get almost everything except for doors. Doors are actually on their own separate build, as are ladders. So, this code is going to be copied again and again and again. And I'm going to keep all this other code just in case. Oh, yeah. Very much in case. Because we actually need to run this return node into here. So that's where we're going to actually make a change. It's we're going to make a modification, sire. Yes, now shut up. And I'm hoping that this will fix our selection, our pickup menu issue. Hopefully. Don't know. Well, if nothing else, it should let us easily add items to our pickup menu. And I'm going to end the stream pretty soon. How are we doing? 14 minutes. I might be able to last that long. Okay, so going over to KJBot, it's obvious that sending a time command for some reason is breaking all of Glimish. After a time command is sent, and I think it's probably because I have apostrophes in there. So, yeah, I might have to either write something that will backspace them, or, you know, see if maybe I can convert them to something else. I don't know, can I actually type in here and have it work? Okay, well, it's sending just fine, although it didn't show up in my chat. Okay, that worked. So it's not the apostrophe. So, what specifically is it having a problem with? Well, all right. Unmatched topic. Oh, am I... Okay. I don't know what's going on with this. I mean, I'm trying to see what the difference is between this line and this line. Oh no, not that line. This line. So the question mark? Right now I'm just waiting for this thing to finish compiling. I don't know why it's taking so long. Cannot override. Yeah. Alright, not the question mark. The colon. No, it's not that. Okay. What if I copied this whole string that's having problems and then paste it into chat? Something about that string is causing a problem. All right, let's see. Let's just do this one part at a time, because we got nothing else to do until the script finishes getting. Is it the exclamation mark? Or is KJ just bot just completely frozen now? Reason unmatched topic. Huh. Hmm. KJ Bot is just having so many problems right this second. Alright, well, on the one hand, I think that this... I think the ARK dev kit is frozen. As for KJ Bot, I have no clue what's going on. Because, you know, the dev kit's always doing something in the background. There it just did not. I mean, yeah, even when it's not, you know, doing loading stuff, you know, you can see it doing stuff. All right, so what is going on with KJBot? I have no clue. Unmatched topic. Did it try to do an auto send? Doesn't look like it. Alright, what happens if I disconnect and then reconnect? Boop. Okay, now it's working. And I can even see it. Okay. So let's copy the whole gosh darn message. And see if it has a problem. Yes, it does. Okay, let's see if it can do it with just the link. Oh! Is it the backspacing? Well, whatever it is, it's causing an error now. Okay, well at least it's getting out. Okay, so at this point, I'm fairly certain in saying that it's the URL. Let's try just the URL. Okay, that worked just fine. What about the URL with text? No, it did not. Great. All right, well, let's get back to this. KJA. Update multi-use menu. Alright, so there's our old system. Here's our new system. Save it. Don't bother compiling. Alright, let's compile now. Now that we've saved it. This way, if it breaks again, you know, it's just, you know... Dirty, needs to be recompiled. So I have no clue what's going on with KJBot. This is weird. I mean, on the one hand, he should be working just fine. On the other hand, the log clearly says he's not. And we're getting an error. So I think this is one of those things I'm going to have to bring into the... I'm going to have to bring this into the shop and be able to... wait, unable to find status. Yeah. Yeah. So yeah, I'm going to have to work on that. Alright, last stream raid of the night. And then we'll be ending the stream. I just want to get this blueprint compiled and see if it works. Ba 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 ba. Okay, so those are bonuses for whoever has access to them. Got it. Nice. And still nobody here. Alright, so that was it for that. I'm hoping that this will come back to life here in a moment, but you gotta keep in mind, the base structure is literally at the base of every single structure I've made. Making changes here is significant. And it will likely take a while. I might have to, just, end the stream and then... maybe I'll post about it on Twitter if I get it up and running, which it should work. I mean, I'm copying a plugin where it does work. KJBot, why are you being such trash right now? But this is why I make, things with the plugins. That way I can, only have to worry about one thing breaking rather than everything breaking. Alright. I think this is taking just a little too long for my bladder. So we are actually going to end things here. Electrostatic shock. It sucks when it happens on your stream deck. Let's make sure this actually still works. Alright, good. Because, my last stream deck died. So I had to get the XL, and it's massive and really nice. Thank you all for joining me. I will see you Wednesday for either Evil Genius or, if I can get it running, Kingdom Hearts. Or I'll just say fuck it and we'll play Kingdom Hearts on PlayStation. I love the game, so and I kind of want to do the whole storyline with you guys. That'd be fun. We may not 100% it, even though I want to. But, Evil Genius kind of feels like the Dungeon Keeper, but it's, done in like a more 60s style, kind of way. Hope you all have a great week. Probably not going to get the Star Citizen patch this week. So, if we don't get it, around Friday, or, maybe next week. Who knows? Thank you all for joining me. I'll see you next time. Good night, everybody.